Hey guys, welcome to my channel. So today I have a new wig from Arabella hair, and I want to show you all everything that came in the packaging, and we can get into the wig. So today I have a 26-inch blonde unit. This is the unit straight out of the packaging. You can see the lace here is pre-plucked, so that's always very nice. We have some very cute highlights, and it's 26 inches. And then as you can see, the inside is completely like tan or blonde, whatever you want to call it. So I opted not to bleach the knots on this unit because I didn't want the purple shampoo to mess with the color of this unit. So I decided I'm just gonna put it on straight out of the packaging without me doing anything to it. Like I said, this is beginner friendly because there's not a lot of work that needs to be done to this unit. Of course you can if you'd like to, but I like that you don't have to. So for me, I'm gonna be installing this just with some Eben spray. That is my favorite way to do it. My hair is braided down, and I just put the cap on to so I wouldn't have any flyaways, excuse me. So now I'm just gonna be adding makeup to my lace so that it matches my skin tone, and I'm always super like skeptical about blonde on my skin tone, so definitely I go in with a lot of makeup to make sure that it looks right. Sometimes I even add like mascara to the edges to like blend, or I don't know, it just makes me feel better. But for this install I did not do that, and I still liked it. So definitely try this out if you are looking for a blonde unit that is pretty easy, because this one definitely is very, very easy. And yeah, so I really enjoyed this unit. The links are in the description box below. The shipping was great, very quick. I got my package, and I hope you guys like it. Let me know if you do. Please be sure to like and subscribe to my channel, and I cannot wait to see you all in the next video. Thank you so much for watching.